Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. My name is Vivek Pod and in today's video we are going to discuss about Keycloak authentication. Everything about Keycloak authentication, why to learn Keycloak authentication, what is Keycloak authentication, when to use, how to use, why to use, everything about authentication. So what is the necessity of Keycloak authentication? So whenever you build any application and you put that application in production, is all the end users are using it, so there should be some security. Means there might be some private applications like you have to upload files and you have to ask queries, so there should be some privacy. Nobody should be able to see the database of any another customer. Means or you can say, if I build an application and I want to earn money from that application, so I will launch that application via AWS in the market, and those people who will pay me $20 per month, they should be allowed to access this application. If I want to make that kind of security, then I have to provide some login credentials. They have to enter their username, password, hit enter, then only they will log into my application. Or they may have to log in via Google, log in via Facebook, log in via LinkedIn, log in via GitHub, log in via any kind of social media platform. They have to do some they have to put their credentials, then only they will be able to access my application. Means it will be a private application, it is not like open source application, right? Okay, so if I want to make that application private, then I have to provide some login feature. Now what happens, before Keycloak, you have to write down thousands of lines of codes for login page, username, password, forward password, create password, then login via Gmail, login via Facebook, login via GitHub, login via LinkedIn, login via any kind of social media platform. There is another kind of code. And every time, okay, this is the main limitation. Like, you have to write down code for each and every function. If any bug present in that function, then there is a security issue, there is a privacy issue. Okay, so this is one limitation. Another limitation is like, you are building one application. For example, you are building a currency converter application. Let's take small examples. So you will write down 10,000, 20,000 lines of code just for the login feature, right? Now you are building some application like a Hello World application, or any kind of application. Then again you have to write down 10,000 plus lines of code just for the login feature, right? So for each application you have to write down that code. So what some developer community thought, like they thought to build some kind of library, some kind of a system which solve this repetitive task problem. So they build a Keycloak authentication. The name is Keycloak. They build a library in which all kinds of functions are already present. You don't have to write down single line of code. You just have to do some configuration, credentials configuration inside that Keycloak dashboard via mouse clicks mostly, and your problem is solved. It is more secure, and it is widely used all over the industries. So, you can create so many users, you can create so many clients and realms, like that. And you can use the same key clock for all kinds of applications. Means you build 10 applications, just you should have one key clock, and you configure all your application to that key clock server. That's it. Your problem is solved. You don't have to again write down all the code for each and every application, right? So for production case, means this I told normal theory term. You can test it on local laptop as well, or you can test it on production warehouse as well. In production system in AWS, what you have to do, you have to launch a separate EC2 instance. Means it is a better way to launch a separate EC2 instance for that, so that if you have hundreds of application, then you can use that same one EC2 instance, that is Keycloak. And also, of course, you have to make one container, and you have to make one image, you have to put your image inside your Docker. So there is a separate server required for Keycloak. So this is a theoretical part. I will move to practical part. I will show you the code and how Keycloak is integrated into your application. I will show you a code line by line explanation is there. I will show you the dashboard of Keycloak. Also, I will show you how to get a Google sign in, means how to integrate that feature like sign in via Google. Simply one click and you can easily sign in via Google. So I will show you. Let's move to another screen. So I hope you can see the screen now. This is Docker compose.yaml file. So this is the most important file. Here we have provided this PostgreSQL Keycloak, this image. From this link we are pulling the image. Container name is Keycloak, start DNV, and all the user credentials are stored into a PostgreSQL. See, you can see Keycloak database is Postgres, and its username password is this. Keycloak password is admin, and which port is 8080. So it will be running locally 8080 ports. Okay, so this is the most important file, and another file is config.py. This is my personal credentials are present over here in my GitHub repository. I didn't push this file. I pushed this file config.example.py file. So here you can see auth enabled is true. If it is false, then it is open source. If it is true, then it is private. You have to log in. If it is false, then you don't have to log in. You can access the application anyhow. So this is the Keycloak server 8080 port. Here you can access this Keycloak. Realm is there's calculator, then client ID, client secret, uh, this redirect URI session secret. The same 8 lines of code is also present in this file also, but my credentials are there. So I have put this. Then here is my means this is my calculator application actually. Okay, so I have made this calculator application. You can see here a simple FastAPI application. From FastAPI, I have imported FastAPI request. Then from FastAPI response, I have imported redirect response, HTML response, Jinja templates to access to HTML. Okay, then Starlet middleware session middleware. Then this auth we have imported. From config we have imported everything. Is from this config.py file we have imported everything. See here the FastAPI is not only FastAPI, it is FastAPI.py. Here config is not only config but it is config.py. So these are Python files. Now the application is FastAPI. Here our secret key and directory templates are present. So in the templates you can see calculator and home tab. Now OAuth. OAuth is we have to put this client ID, client secret ID. These are present inside our config.py file. Now this is our FastAPI application. So we have defined some functions. We have given some routes. So if the auth is enabled, then it is running. If it is not enabled, then it will be open source. Now these are the routes. This is home tab route. Okay. Now this is a add function is there. So just you have to put a and b and you will get the response. Now login feature is there. Auth feature, then logout feature is also there. You will be out of the application. Requirement.txt, this is most important. So in Keycloak you have to import this library Python Keycloak. This is the most important library. So and this is the backbone of this Keycloak authentication. Okay, Python Keycloak is what you have to install. Then auth-lib is there, FastAPI, Unicorn, HTTP is dangerous, Jinja, Python multipart. So these are 8 libraries you have to install. Now comes this calculator .html file. So here are few colors, what kind of color you want. Then login logout button is there. Okay, so this is some simple HTML files. This home page is over here. Now what I will do, I will just do this as false. I will save. Uh, Now I will do uv run main app reload. So some error is there. Unicorn main app reload. Let's see. Okay, now it is running. We have put this run. Run is present in Streamlit library. Streamlit run app.py. But for UVCon main app reload. So this is the command to run the application. Okay. Now I will show you it is running. So here you can see localhost 8000. So this is our application. Okay. Just 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. This is our simple application, right? I can log in here without any credentials right now. Okay. So this is my GitHub repository. I will paste the link here, and this is my Google Cloud Console. I will show you after some time. So means what I have to say, I can access this application without any credentials. This is a simple application, right? Now what I will do, I will go here again. I will go to config and I will just write down true. Okay, control save. Now control C and again Unicon main app reload. Okay, hit enter. I will go here, control shift R. Now it is asking please sign in to continue and log in with Keycloak. So localhost 8000. Okay. Now I will show you this Docker desktop you have to install in your system. Okay. Right now no containers are present over here. So even if you log in via Keycloak, you will get an error because Keycloak we haven't done any kind of configuration yet. Okay. I will again go here. Okay, Keycloak. So now this Docker compose.yaml file we have to run. Okay, how to run this file? I will show you. Control C and Docker compose Docker compose up hyphen D is the command. Hit enter. So it is running now, and you can see over here one container is running. Okay, it is running right now. So I will again go here and this is running in 8080 port. Okay, so I will open this port localhost 8080, hit enter. It will take some time. So it is open right now. You can see after 1 minute it is opening now. 8080, hit enter. You can see Keycloak web page is open because we have put that Keycloak inside our Docker desktop. We have pulled it. Okay. Mm, it is nearly 266 MB something. Okay. So here, what is the password actually? So the password is admin. Keycloak bootstrap admin username is admin username and admin password both are admin. Okay. So I will write down admin and here the password is admin. Okay. I will sign in. You can see it is signing now. So this is the Keycloak dashboard. You can see a lot of features are there. Keycloak, managerial, manage clients, stroke, user roles, group, session, events, configure, a lot of things. And in each section, there are thousands of things are present. You can see a lot of things are present. So if you want to do this login feature via coding, you will need a lot of time and you will need a lot of hard work, a lot of coding, and for each and every application you have to do this. So you have to create a realm. A realm means it is like a you can say it is like a country or it is like a company. Like for Microsoft employee, this realm you can use. For Google employee, you can use the same realm. So right now I'm giving name of my realm as calculator. Okay, and it is enabled create. The realm is created right now. Okay, calculator realm. After that, I have to go on clients, and on client, I have to create a client ID. I have to give this. I have already created this 2 3 times. After that, I am started recording the video to show you. So calculator app is there. Now next, we are creating client. Authentication flow is there. Then again next, then root URL, home URL. You have to put this URL. Okay. Control C. Oh, 1 second. 80, 8000. So control V. Okay. Root URL you have to present and then save. Okay. Always display. Then this is client authentication is on standard workflow, login theme, front end. Okay. Then you have to click on save. Now you have to go here. Users. You have to create one user. Okay, then you have to write down one username, like for example, VIVK. I have created this user. Okay, or for example, Ramesh. I have created Ramesh named username. Okay, then I will go on click on create. Okay, credentials. No credentials are there, so I will put a credential like Ramesh um and what credentials. Suresh 1 2 or Ramesh 1 2 3. Ramesh at the rate 1 2 3. Okay. Ramesh at the rate 1 2 3. Control C, Control V, temporary, and okay, save. So you can see each and everything we are doing just by clicking on mouse. We don't have to write down any code. Imagine if you have to write down code for each and everything. A lot of if else will be there, a lot of for loop, while loop, lot of means it will be like more than 10,000 lines of code. Okay, so this thing we have created. Okay, everything is done. I think users. Okay, yes. Here Ramesh is there. Update password username. Email. Okay, save. Okay, let's see whether our application is working now or not. So I will hard refresh it. Control Shift R. Ooh, I think I have to CLS. I have to run the application again. UVCon. We have stopped the application, so it was not running. UVCon main app reload. Hit enter. Okay, now it is running. Application startup complete. We will go here. Control Shift R. I will write down. Okay, calculator app. You can't access this application freely now. Means it is not open source right now. It is private because once you open the application, it is showing login with Keycloak. I have to click on Keycloak. So this page will appear. Sign into your account. Okay, now admin is this and pass. Okay, I have to write down. See, you can see right now it is not you are not able to log in via this credential sign in. It is saying invalid password and username. So now I will write down the credentials of Ramesh. Okay. What credentials I just forgot. Ramesh at the rate 1 2 3. I think so. Ramesh at the rate 1 2 3. Yes, yes, yes. So new password will be Ramesh at the rate Ramesh at the rate 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now Control C, Control V. So this will be our password. Okay. Sign out from other devices. See, for these also you have to write down code if you are not using Keycloak and you want to build a login system. So click on submit. Password Ramesh at the rate gmail.com. Anything random password. Okay. First name is Ramesh. Last name is um uh, Patil. Okay, no thanks. And here submit. internal server error, because one second, because we have to do something here. Calculator app, localhost, we have provided everything. We have provided authentication authorization on, consent required. So in the user sections, you are saying this explanatory mark. Just write down email verified, because I am the admin. I can verify this email. Okay. After that, I will save here. Now you will not see the exclamatory mark here. So here we are getting error if we even uh, login. So what you have to do? You have to go here, clients. Here is our client app, and credentials. You will see this client secret. You have to just copy it and paste it over here. Client secret. One second. Client secret. Client secret. Okay. Control V. Control save, and it is reloaded right now. So we will just see it is running or not. Just click over here. Minus enter. Login with Keycloak. Yes. Hi Ramesh. Okay. So I will just check whether it is running or not. Is equals to 5. So I will log out. Now I will again log in. So you can see here the login page is there. Ramesh, capital Ramesh @12345. So this was our password. So I will just do sign in. Okay. Yes. Hi Ramesh. Now you can see 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Application is running well. I will just do logout. Again, login. If I provide some wrong credential, then what will happen? Ramesh, and in password section, Ramesh Suresh. If I write down wrong password, then it will not open. But if I provide correct password, then what will happen? Ramesh @12345. So the application will open. Okay. So it means we have successfully integrated our uh, Keycloak authentication over here. Now what I want to do, I don't want to write down this username and password every time. I just want one simple Google sign in button. Okay. So what I will do, I will show you. So here you can see I have already created this calculator Keycloak. I will just close it. I will show you. Google Cloud Console, you have to write down. Click on first link. Then my console. One second. Okay. Here, overview. It's a bit complicated actually. Okay. Um, Google, and here you can click on, just scroll down and you will see go to my console. And here I already created this calculator application. If it is not, then in your case it is like create a project, something like that. I have already created, so I will click here, calculator Keycloak. This is my project name. Or you can create a new project as well. So uh, let's create new project. Okay. And here you can provide calculator Keycloak, but what I will do, instead of calculator Keycloak, okay, the name is invalid, character, letter, number, single. Okay. So I think this might be the issue. No, I will just put Keycloak. Okay. Keycloak. Okay, now it is running. Create. So yes, created project Keycloak. Now I will just do Control Shift R, hard reload, hard refresh. I will go here. There are two projects now. Okay, so from scratch I am telling you do how to how to configure your Google Cloud Console to integrate your Google sign-in on Keycloak. Okay, so click on this project Keycloak. Go to API and services. So in library, go okay, add favorites, enable credentials. So one second, in library you have to go and search for Google Identity. Google Identity, Google Auth platform you have to go. Then in branding, you have to click on branding, get started. Application name is uh, calculator. Support email is my email. Then click on next. Audience will be external, anyone should be able to access. Click on next. Then contact information is my email ID. Finish. Continue. Create. Okay. So you haven't created OAuth credentials for the this project yet. Okay. So create OAuth client. Application type is web application. Where is web application? Okay, web application. Web client name is calculator. Calculator. I'm telling you, we might get some errors, but we will try to solve it out because this Google Cloud Console, this is not our everyday job. So, but we will complete it. No worry. So, calculator. Add. Okay, yes. Authorize redirect URL. So here you have to put your URL. So here you have to provide this redirect URL. So which redirect URL you have to provide? So go to your Keycloak and first of all you have to select this identity provider. This you can see a lot of identity providers are there. Bitbucket, Facebook, GitHub, GitLab, Google, Instagram, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Twitter, Stack Overflow, PayPal, OpenShift, Keycloak, OpenID, and a lot of social media platforms are there. So just click on Google. You can see this will be our redirect URL. Means this is our Keycloak local system path. You are running this in production environment, then the path will be different. Right now it is port 8080 Realm Calculator Broker Google endpoint. You have to copy this and paste it over here. Okay. So this is your realm name. This should be properly checked. Spelling mistake should not be there. Uppercase, lowercase should be strictly as it is. Okay. Now you have to click on create. Okay. So what client is created. So this client ID you have to copy and you have to paste here. Control A, Control V, and this client secret. See, previously this was admin 1 2 3 because we don't have provided any social media authentication. Okay, so client secret is also we have to provide. You have to provide. I just do here copy and paste here. Okay, yes, and this you have to provide over here also client secret. Or put this as it is. We will see after some time. Okay, then I will just copy all this thing and paste in notepad. uh, Client secret, control C, control V, enter. After that, this client ID will also I will do control V, and here also client ID control C control V is equals to, okay. If we need, we will configure it. Okay, so I will just click on okay. Uh, so it's fine now. Branding will be there. So we will again go to our Keycloak, and here we will click on add. So client ID, secret, everything is there. Scope, store token address, case sensitive. Okay, click on save. It is successfully saved now. So we have to wait for 2-3 minutes, and then we have to log in again. So localhost 8000, hit enter, login with Keycloak. Yes, yes, we win. You can sign in via Google also. So I will first sign in via this Ramesh username and password. Ramesh at the rate 12345 is our password. Actually, I will just check whether it is working or not. It is working. 6 plus 45 is equals to 51. Keycloak. Check now. Check with Google. Okay. So I will click on Google. You can see this kind of dashboard we are seeing right now. I will click on this Paul Vivek 77. Click on continue, and now we are inside our Paul Vivek 77 at gmail.com. So I will do here 554 and 1111 is equals to, you can see our addition. I will again do 3. Here I will do 1. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So our application is working fine. I will log out, then I will again log in with Keycloak. I will again go to Google. Here you can see my email ID is present. So this is how we have integrated this Google authentication here. Okay, so that's the process. So I will just quickly sign in on my which Gmail. Just one second. I just want to show you. Full Vivek 120. Okay, so I will click on local host colon 8000. I will just show you. Login with Keycloak. Login via Google. Full Vivek 120 at gmail.com. And you can see I have to continue, and I can access my mail ID. I can access via my mail ID fullvivek120 at gmail.com. So you can again do next steps like so this is how I have we have seen that we can do a login authentication, login feature, username, password, and so on. I will switch to another screen. Now you can see please. If you disable this, means if I do false, control save, then there is no necessity of login. Hit enter, directly application will open. It is not asking you for authentication and all. And you can use the application. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. There is no logout or login button. Okay. So from this config file, you can turn on or off your authentication. This is your Keycloak server's ID. This is now present in my local system. You can change it if you run this application on your production environment like AWS, Azure. This is your realm name calculator. You can see the realm name, manage realms. This is your calculator. You have recently created your realm. Then this your client ID calculator app, then client secret. We have seen redirect URL, this 8000 auth. So it will be redirect to your authentication, and if it is true, then it is redirecting to authentication page. It will check the login ID password and give you permission whether you are able to access the application or not, or deny. This is session secret. Okay, and this Docker Compose file we have already discussed. This main.py file we have discussed. Calculator home tab, git ignore. These are my key env virtual environment name. So these things are there. Requirement.txt. This is most important. Okay, so that's about the code file. I have pasted this code, put this code on GitHub repository. You can see here also, and that's it. So this is the practical demo. We have seen how we completed our login system using Keycloak authentication. Also, we have seen how to do sign in via Google. So this is actually the conceptual video. You learn theory, you learn the practical, and you have AI tools, of course. So with the help of AI, you can do much more complicated tasks like give more security to your application. Like I show you from polvivik77 and polvivik120@gmail.com. I can access this application, but you can provide security. Like if anyone is able to log in my application from his Gmail account, then admin should have authority to approve or deny that end user. Okay, so that thing you can also do. You can provide a registration form. Like if any new customer is there, then it will first register the form. The form will be submitted to the admin side. Then admin will have authority to approve it or deny it. Everything is happening on the Keycloak dashboard, whatever we have seen in this video. So this thing you can also configure. You can do configuration like forgot password. The password will be sent to the customer's Gmail or email, whatever it is provided. So this is also you can add in your Keycloak as well. You don't have to write down a single line of code. Everything you have to just use your mouse clicks on Keycloak dashboard. So this is how this Keycloak is solving the super complicated task of login feature. That's why it is most commonly used, most widely used all over industries. I will just show you one thing. You can add more applications to it also. Means, these clients right now, these are inbuilt applications. These are inbuilt clients, account console, and so on. And this is our calculator app application. You can add hundreds of applications in this client section. Okay, so and only one key clock dashboard is there, and hundreds of application is there. So that is the smart point of this key clock authentication. You don't have to repeatedly make this login coding task every time. Okay, that's why this authentication part is most important, and this is uh, used in every application. So learning of key clock authentication becomes very important. So if you like my video, if you like my efforts, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet in the second video. I am thinking to make the second video of Razorpay payment integration. Means you build the application and you want to sell the application. If you want to have the paid subscribers, if you want to launch your application on Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, or just on the website, and you want the end user should pay you. You want to earn money. So this payment thing, how this payment thing work? For that, we need Razorpay payment integration. We will see this Razorpay payment integration in our next upcoming video. Till then, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.